Good morning, first grade class.
Good morning!
Alright guys, today we are going to be learning about the patterns and cycles of our solar system. And this PowerPoint is by me, Tony Giddens. So guys, we are starting our space unit today. So imagine you are astronauts. Does everyone know what an astronaut is? Can someone answer?
Someone that goes into space.
Can you raise your hand, please? Yes, Ms. Renshaw.
Someone that goes into space.
Yes, they go into space, and they are also scientists, so they study. So what are scientists? They study the Earth around us, they study different things, and astronauts study space. So imagine we're astronauts for this space unit. And I'm going to show you guys a quick little video. Here we go. And this is about a great show. It's probably a little bit before you guys' time, called Star Trek.
Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Its continuing mission: to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no man has gone before.
So that was just a quick little snippet to get you guys all interested in what we're talking about today. So yes, we are going to be astronauts for this. We are going to be learning more about space. And I'm going to dive right in. Current slide. All right, here we go. So to learn more about the patterns of our solar system, I'm going to have to give you guys some vocabulary words. So the first word I'd like to give you guys is a star, which is a huge glowing ball of gas. I know what you're thinking. Not that type of gas. It's more like this type of gas. It's stuff you'd see on the periodic table. And our sun, which did you guys know is a star, is made up of hydrogen and helium gases, which are the first two elements on the periodic table, which again is something you guys will learn about as you progress through your education. So the sun is the star in which our planet orbits. And this is also our light and heat source. So without it, it'd be really cold and it'd be really dark. Can you guys imagine what that type of world would be like?
Sad.
Yeah, pretty sad. I agree, Miss Renshaw. All right, the next vocabulary word I'd like to talk about is planet. Can anyone name what our planet is?
Earth.
Raise your hand, please. Yes, Miss Dinkle.
Earth.
Absolutely, and here's a picture of Earth right there. A planet is a large body moving around in orbit around a sun or a star. And if anyone's wondering what orbit means, that is the path taken by one body circling around another body. Oh, brain break! Everybody get up! Brain break! Brain break! All right, can you move your mat, please, Miss Renshaw or Miss Dinkle? All right, guys. I'm going to teach you what orbiting is. So I'm going to place this ball right in the center of the room, and that is our sun, okay? Now, Ms. Renshaw, I want you right here.
Okay.
Ms. Dinkle, I want you right here. And we're going to walk around the room. Casey, I want you to run or jog around. I'm going to walk a little bit faster than Ms. Dinkle over here. She's going to walk very slowly. All right, go. And stop! All right, I'm gonna be taking the sun back, and you can place your mat back down, and please have a seat. So, every time a planet orbits the sun, when it goes all the way around, that is a full year. So when our planet goes around all the way around the sun, that is a full year. All right, the next vocabulary word I'd like to talk about is the moon, or a moon, rather. That is a satellite of a planet, which means it's basically connected to a planet by the planet's gravity, and it can be seen by reflection of light coming from the sun or the star in that particular solar system. Oh, look at that! Our next vocabulary word, solar system. A solar system is a collection of planets and their moons orbiting around the sun. Would one of you like to read some of the planets you see up here? Yes, Casey.
Mercury and Venus.
Oh, yes. Those Those planets are very close to the sun. Miss Dangle, would you like to name some?
Mars and Neptune.
Those are two other planets, and some other planets in our solar system are Earth, Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn, and of course Pluto, which many people don't consider a planet, but in this class, Pluto's a planet. It's one of those classes, okay? And I have one quick thing to show you guys. Whoops, not that. All right, look right here. This is something I want you guys to look at after the class, but I'll show you a little bit. So this is a 3D image of our solar system, and you can interact with it. So right here is the sun, and out here is Earth. And you can watch just how it orbits. So let's add on 1 second equals 1 day. So watch as it spins around. Pretty slow, huh? And once it goes all the way around that circle, it will complete an orbit, and that will be 1 full year. Let's speed up just a little bit more. How about 1 second equals 1 year? Whoa, that's a little fast. Which planet's going the slowest? Can anyone guess?
Pluto.
Pluto, exactly, because it's the furthest from the sun, so it has the biggest orbit to get all the way around. So years there are a really long time. Okay, plug back in my laptop. Whoopsie. Okay. Let's open back up my PowerPoint. Just a second, kids. All right. The current slide. So let's review. All the patterns that we see in our solar system from the sun, the moon, and the stars. So the sun will always rise in the east. And it will always set, can anyone guess?
In the west.
In the west. Just like the sun, the moon will always rise in the east and set in the west. And what appears at night when the moon comes out? Can anyone guess? Stars.
Stars.
Stars will appear in the night when the moon comes out because the light from the sun reflects off the moon and reveals the outer space sky. And what happens when the Earth spins around on its axis, all the way around on its axis?
It's the end of 1 day.
Absolutely, Ms. Renshaw. And what happens when it completes its orbit? What does that mean?
It's been a year.
Yes, good job. All right, so now I'm going to read you guys a quick book called Hello World Solar System, and it'll give you guys a little bit bigger explanation on our solar system. Well, did you guys enjoy that book?
Yes.
Yes, we learned a lot about the solar system, right?
Yes.
All right, now I'm going to be giving you guys a little craft activity. Okay, I knew you guys would be excited. So we're going to be creating our own planet. So I'm going to give you each a white sheet of paper, and you're going to cut out a circle, because all the planets are shaped in circles, right? Or more or less spheres, but I'll explain that in math class. So you're going to cut out a circle, and you're going to decorate it with markers or colored pencils or whatever you want. Any color, you can do anything you want to it. And then you're going to, whoops, I dropped something. Then you're going to be gluing that onto this black sheet of paper, which I'll hand you guys. And once you have finished that, I want you to draw stars, a sun, and a moon on this black sheet of paper. All right? Has everyone got it? All right, you can go back to your desk and get your stuff out. If you need any assistance cutting or remembering what you need to put on there, I'll be walking around and helping you guys. There you go. All right, how's everyone doing on their little arts and crafts assignment?
Good.
Are you all done?
Yes.
Awesome, let me see what you got. Hold it up there. Oh, what's this planet called?
Salto.
Salto? Oh, why'd you name it Salto?
Because my name is Sally and Pluto.
Okay. Does anyone live on Salto?
Yes, me.
Just you?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, it looks like you just
I'm
finished
done.
up. You just finished up? Okay.
Yep.
Can you hold it up? Can you hold it up so I can see? Okay, awesome. Oh, that's cool. What's your planet called?
It's called queso with a K.
queso de cheese, right? Oh, I like the little K you have right here. Can you show the camera, please?
I made lots of stars too.
That's awesome. Yeah, I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, well, now that you guys are done, I'm going to hand out a worksheet for you guys. So this worksheet's just going to go over all the stuff we learned today. It's going to be really easy. And then once you guys finish that, you guys can look at the 3D of our solar system. Thank you, Ms. Dinkle. I was lost for words there. Yes, you can look at that on your iPads, or you can work on my solar system word search. So here you go,
Thank you.
and here you go.
Thank you.
Mhm.